o'clock in the morning and I'm driving up to my Surrey plot, going up to work and hopefully get some work done. Good advantage of coming out this time of day is that there's no traffic on the road on the M25. It's pretty quiet, so I've got to wait for sunrise before I can get to the allotment, and then we can make a start. So I've just arrived at my allotment and it's 4:45 in the morning and it's extremely dark outside, so until the gets light I'm going to put the chair back and have a sleep, get some rest. So I've just woken up again now and it's 7:30 and it's a beautiful morning. It's just interesting to see this tree. Branches must come down 20 feet. Right down to the ground really. Still very flooded around here. What a beautiful morning. So yes, now it's 8 o'clock and I finally managed to get out the car and I'm going to have a look, see if there's any storm damage from all the recent storms up in this site. Now I'm up in Surrey, so let's have a look. So my first task is to get the grass cut. Always looks tidier with the grass cut. So let's have a go at that. Is it just me? Or does everyone find it satisfying when you've just edged the line of your plot? I do. If that's all I do today, I'd be happy. So one of my plans is to get this bed straight here, ready for the growing season. So I'm making a path in the middle now. I've changed to either side and I'm making my pie even a bit smaller, less cutting, a more growing area. Eventually get rid of it completely, I expect, and just go right over to the lot. But this is only my work allotment, so I'm not too fast. So this is what I enjoy about my allotment. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, it's so peaceful except for the cars. Nobody here. Got my coffee. Yes, it is a pink flask. My daughter wanted a flask and it was buy one get one free, so I ended up with a pink one. I'm just sat admiring the 7 foot that I've dug, looking at another 10 foot that I need to dig. Well, that looks a lot better anyway. I don't think I can go any more narrow with the path. I want to get my wheelbarrow up there. But anyway, just a tiny bit at the end to do, and then it's done. So that's a real bonus. Bonus for the day I didn't think I was going to do. So there we go, all my path's done. And my shoes. Muddy. So just a quick look. This is my pond and my daffodils and my hyacinths coming out still only one there. Well, that's all looking good. The grass cut, the edges trimmed. Still want to get rid of this. Raspberries are actually coming out now. These did absolutely nothing last year, and I put the manure on top. And there's some grass coming through. There's the berries, rhubarb. Two lots of rhubarb. Next door, the strawberries, that look a bit grotty. Some more canes of raspberries. And the onions. And potatoes still in the end. And then the broad beans. And the cabbage on the end. And then still, that plot still to work. So that was a very quick random tour. Now we're going to go back, do some work.